Alright folks, this video is to show you how to use the NovoLog FlexPen and the Novofine Autocover needle. Now I will tell you that I consider myself kind of be a halfway intelligent person, but the first time I went to do this and give Grandma a shot, I couldn't figure it out. And what I did was I took this off, okay, and I attached it to my pen. And then what I did was I took and I said, okay, well, let me make sure this needle thing is in here. And it was. And I let go. And then I went to give Grandma a shot, and nothing happened. Okay, you can't inject anymore. And the reason is this little thing here turns red once you've depressed it once. Okay, so if you've done it, if you look at it and you test it, it's done. You got to take this off and put another one on, because this is just not going to go down ever again. Okay, so that's the trick to this, is you have to put this on. Don't look at it, don't test it, okay, because if you do, you're going to lock that mechanism. Dial up, you dial in whatever dosage you've got, and then inject that, push that onto the skin, and then push this and inject the medicine. But again, if that's the trick, is you can't push down on this and look at it, because then you're locked out. And that's what I did, was I looked at it and then I couldn't figure out how to get it to work anymore. So hopefully that helps you.